If you're hooked up to utilities at a park and cops come up to your RV door, don't open the door. Just talk through the door and ask the officer if he has a warrant. If he doesn't, say, "Officer, I do not consent to you entering, and I will not open the door without a valid warrant." I mentioned U.S. versus Gooch earlier because in that case, the court really saw the actual hookup of the power to your RV as a bit of a game changer and to help establish that it was more of a residence and a home than a car. Number 6, if you're camping, turn your tent into a fortress. At a legal campsite, if a cop show up, you can step out of your tent, zip it up, and say, "Officer, I do not consent to a search." Your tent at a legal campsite is your home away from home, and the Supreme Court says you can own it. In fact, to expound on this, in the court case of Stoner versus California, the court said that your privacy interest in a tent is very similar to the same privacy interest you would have in a hotel room. Where most people go wrong is they don't zip up their tent. Maybe the tent is there and the flaps are open. What do you think the cops are going to do? They're going to walk in and they're just going to look inside, and anything they see in plain view, they can now claim they have a right to enter into the tent, potentially based upon that probable cause, and now they're able to search your tent. So remember, always camp legally. Zip up your tent, lock it down, and you will have Fourth Amendment privacy protection.